హలో అండి. వీడియో చూస్తున్న ఏపీ మరియు తెలంగాణ విద్యార్థులందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు నేను 7th క్లాస్కి సంబంధించి హీట్ లెసన్ నుంచి అన్ని బిట్స్ని మీ ముందుకు తీసుకొచ్చాను. కావున వీడియోను ఎక్కడ కూడా స్కిప్ చేయకుండా జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. వినడం ద్వారా చదవడం కంటే కూడాను బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటారు. టెట్ రాసే విద్యార్థులకు ప్రతి లెసన్ కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. కాబట్టి నేను ప్రతి లెసన్ నుంచి కూడా బిట్స్ని అయితే అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. కావున మా ఎన్ లెసన్స్ ఛానల్ని తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మొదటగా హీట్ లెసన్ నుంచి మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ప్రతి బిట్టు నేను చదివి వినిపిస్తాను, జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. ఫస్ట్ బిట్ వచ్చేసి, ఏ మార్బుల్ టైల్ వుడ్ ఫీల్ కోల్డ్ యాజ్ కంపేర్డ్ టు ఏ వుడెన్ టైల్ ఆన్ ఏ వింటర్ మార్నింగ్ బికాస్ ద మార్బుల్ టైల్. ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఒకసారి మీరు కూడా గెస్ చేయండి. బిట్నైతే నేను మళ్ళీ చదువుతున్నాను. ఏ మార్బుల్ టైల్ వుడ్ ఫీల్ కోల్డ్ యాజ్ కంపేర్డ్ టు ఏ వుడెన్ టైల్ ఆన్ ఏ వింటర్ మార్నింగ్ బికాస్ ద మార్బుల్ టైల్. ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఏ బెటర్ కండక్టర్ ఆఫ్ హీట్ దెన్ ద వుడెన్ టైల్. ఈజ్ పాలిష్డ్ వైల్ వుడెన్ టైల్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పాలిష్డ్. ఆప్షన్ సి reflects more heat than wooden tile. Option D is a poor conductor of heat than the wooden tile. Correct answer is option A is a better conductor of heat than the wooden tile. Second bit చూడండి. A beggar wrapped himself with a few layers of newspaper on a cold winter night. This helped him to keep himself warm because. Option A, friction between the layers of newspaper produces heat. Option B, air trapped between the layers of newspaper is a bad conductor of heat. Option C, newspaper is a conductor of heat. Option D, newspaper is at a higher temperature than the temperature of the surrounding. Correct answer is option B, air trapped between the layer of newspaper is a bad conductor of heat. Next, third bit. Paheli and Bhujo measured their body temperature. Paheli found hers to be 98.6 degree F and Bhujo recorded 37 degree centigrade. Which of the following statements is true? ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. ఆప్షన్ ఏ, పహేలి హ్యాజ్ ఏ హయ్యర్ బాడీ టెంపరేచర్ దెన్ భూజో. ఆప్షన్ బి, పహేలి హ్యాజ్ ఏ లోయర్ బాడీ టెంపరేచర్ దెన్ భూజో. ఆప్షన్ సి, బోత్ హ్యావ్ నార్మల్ బాడీ టెంపరేచర్. ఆప్షన్ డి, బోత్ ఆర్ సఫరింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫీవర్. ఇక్కడ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ బోత్ హ్యావ్ నార్మల్ బాడీ టెంపరేచర్. నెక్స్ట్ బిట్. వాట్ యాక్ట్స్ యాజ్ యాన్ ఇండికేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద వెదర్ outside being very cold with temperatures in the range of -2 degree centigrade to 8 degree centigrade. Option A, mild sunlight. Option B, fogged window panes. Option C, leaves rustling in the wind. Option D, heavy clouds and grey skies. Correct answer is fogged window panes. Next, what is the average range of a laboratory thermometer and how does it compare to the ranges of a clinical thermometer? ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. -10 to 110 degree centigrade much greater than the range of clinical thermometer. Option B, -100 to 100 degree centigrade much greater than the range of clinical thermometers. Option C, 10 to 50 degree centigrade much lesser than the range of clinical thermometers. D, 37 to 40 degree centigrade much lesser than the range of clinical thermometers. Correct answer is -10 to 110 degree centigrade much greater than the range of clinical thermometers. వీడియోను స్కిప్ చేస్తే అర్థం కాదు మీకు. స్కిప్ చేయకుండా జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్ బిట్. Which instrument should be used to measure the boiling point of a liquid and why? Option A, clinical thermometer. It is easier to read. Option B, clinical thermometer. It has a greater range. C, laboratory thermometer. It is easier to read. D, laboratory thermometer. It has a greater range. Correct answer is option D, laboratory thermometer, it has a greater range. Next, what role does the kink play in making the process of reading temperature easier? And in which kind of thermometer does it help? Option A. Kink inside the clinical thermometer prevents the mercury thread from falling. Option B. Kink inside the laboratory thermometer lowers the mercury thread faster. Option C. Kink inside the laboratory thermometers requires it to be held still. Option D. Kink inside the clinical thermometer requires it to held upright. Correct answer is option A. Kink inside the clinical thermometer prevents the mercury thread from falling. Next, 8th bit. In coastal regions, when warm air from either land or sea rises, the cold air that replaces it creates a breeze. Which of the following is a correct description of such a breeze? Option A. Land breeze is received by land during the daytime. Option B. Sea breeze is received by sea from land at night. Option C. Land gets heated quicker in the day and causes a sea breeze. D. Sea gets heated quicker during the day and causes a sea breeze. Correct answer is option C. Land gets heated quicker in the day and causes a sea breeze. Next bit. In coastal areas in the daytime, the air circulation between unevenly heated low and sea causes a sea breeze. Which natural process are responsible for such a movement? Option A. Warm air from sea is radiated upwards and cold air rushes in, creating sea breeze. Option B. Warm air from land rises up by convection and cold air fills its place as sea breeze. Option C. Warm air from sea is conducted to air and cold air rushes in, creating land breeze. Option D. Warm air from land and warm air from sea both rise and are cooled by insulation. Correct answer is option B. Next, 10th bit. In a tropical country, during summers, which of the following materials is likely to absorb the least heat? Option A. Yellow rayon cloth. Option B. White cotton cloth. Option C. Blue denim cloth. Option D. Maroon silk cloth. Correct answer is option B. White cotton cloth. Next bit. A thermos flask provides insulation in order to maintain temperatures of hot and cold liquids for longer durations. The innermost layer of thermos flask is made of glass and is coated by silver paint on the outside. Which property of silver make it useful in a flask? Option A. Silver is highly malleable. Option B. Silver reflects thermal radiation. Option C. Silver is a good conductor of heat. Option D. Silver is not reactive at room temperature. Correct answer is option B. Silver reflects thermal radiation. Next bit. In cold climatic areas that receive a lot of snow, people wear thick coats with woolen inner linings and snow-resistant synthetic outer layer. Which property of the material contributes most to protecting them from the cold? Option A. Inner layer reflects the thermal radiation of the human body. Option B. Outer layer allows the conduction of heat throughout the coat. Option C. Outer layer restricts the conduction of cold winds inside the coat. Option D. Inner layer lets warmth from the body to be trapped within the coat. Correct answer is option D. Next bit. Student A takes the temperature reading of student B and holds the temperature horizontally while moving it to correctly note the temperature. Student B argues that the reading is inaccurate since student A took too much time to read it and moved the thermometer a lot. Student A insists that the reading is accurate. What makes student A so sure about the temperature reading? Option A. Laboratory thermometer are always held horizontally to prevent fluctuations. Option B. Clinical thermometers are held horizontally to prevent fluctuation. Option C. Readings on a laboratory thermometer remain unchanged. Option D. Readings on a clinical thermometer remain unchanged. Correct answer is option D. Next bit. A child observes the process of ironing clothes. The base of the iron is very hot. The clothes are warm. However, the top handle of the iron is not warm at all. Which of the following is an incorrect conclusion based on his observations? Option A. Heat is trapped inside the iron's handle. Next, option B. Heat is conducted by the iron to the clothes. Option C. The material of the iron's handle is an insulator. Option D. The handle will not radiate any heat to bare hands. Correct answer is option A. Heat is trapped inside the iron's handle. Next bit. వీడియోను స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి. An object and a source of heat are placed in two different experimental setups. Setup 1. Vacuum is present between the object and the source in a confident tube. Setup 2. Metallic fibers are stuffed into the space between the source and object, a confidence tube. To achieve successful heating of the object, which modes of heat transfer must occur in the two setups? Option A. Setup 1. Radiation. Setup 2. Convection. Option B. Setup 1. Radiation. Setup 2. Conduction. Option C. Setup 1. Insulation. Setup 2. Conduction. Option D. Setup 1. Insulation. Setup 2. Convection. Correct answer is option B. Setup 1. Radiation. Setup 2. Conduction. Next bit. A teacher describes a woolen cloth as a bad conductor of heat. A student tries to test this by trying to wear a woolen coat in the summer. He feels very hot and has to take it off. What explanation can be offered to the student to explain why wool is a bad conductor? Option A. The wool conducts heat in the summers and insulates the body in the winters. Option B. The heat entered the coat because room temperature is higher in summers. Option C. The body heat was contained within the coat as wool did not let it escape. Option D. The property of the wool is relative to the outside temperature. Correct answer is option C. The body heat was contained within the coat as wool did not let it escape. Next bit. A student observes that when a folder sweater is pressed down and released, it easily gets passed and then instantly bounces back in shape. The student concludes that thick woolen fibers can trap a lot of air within their stands. Which option explains how woolen sweaters protect us from cold weather? Option A. Convection provided by the wool fibers and insulation by air. Option B. Insulation provided by the wool and conduction of body heat. Option C. Insulation provided by the wool fibers and air trapped in them. Option D. Convection of heat by the human body and reflection by wool. Correct answer is option C. Insulation provided by the wool fibers and air trapped in them. అంతేనండి 7th క్లాస్ సైన్స్ నుండి హీట్ లెసన్ నుంచి బిట్స్ అయితే కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయాయి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకా టెట్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ని నేను మా ఎన్ లెసన్స్ ఛానల్లో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. నా ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే తప్పకుండా లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ షేర్ చేయండి. ప్లీజ్ అందరూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.